Welcome, dear learners. Today I will be talking about biomimicry. Let's get started. Biomimicry is the science and art of learning from nature's designs and applying those lessons to human challenges. Rooted in the Greek words bios means life and mimesis means to imitate. It encourages us to look at nature not just as a resource but as a teacher. With 3.8 billion years of evolution, nature has already solved many problems: energy efficiency, waste reduction, and resilience. By studying these strategies, we can create innovations that are smarter, more sustainable, and better aligned with ecological systems. Biomimicry invites us to shift from human-centered thinking to solutions that work in harmony with the planet. The core principles of biomimicry guide how we learn from nature and apply its wisdom to human innovation. Nature as a model encourages us to study biological forms and processes like the lotus leaf for self-cleaning surface, termite mounds for passive cooling, or shark skin for antibacterial textures, and adapt these strategies in our designs. Nature as measure reminds us that nature sets the standard for sustainability, pushing us to evaluate solutions based on efficiency, adaptability, and ecological balance. Finally, nature as mentor shifts our mindset, teaching us to respect nature as a source of knowledge rather than resource to exploit, fostering deeper ecological understanding and humility. Biomimicry operates at three interconnected levels, each offering a unique way to learn from nature. Form level biomimicry focuses on mimicking the physical shape or structure of organisms such as kingfisher's streamlined beak, inspiring the aerodynamic design of Shinkansen bullet train. Process level biomimicry goes deeper by emulating natural processes like photosynthesis, metabolism, or self-assembly, leading to innovations such as artificial photosynthesis for clean energy production. At the last is at broad scale is the ecosystem level biomimicry model, entire system on nature's principles, closed loop, nutrient cycling, and symbiotic relationships seen in eco-industrial parks where one industry's waste becomes another industry's resource. Biomimicry and bio-inspired design both draw inspiration from nature, but they differ in purpose and depth. Bio-inspired design often focuses on copying the form or appearance of natural organisms, such as creating streamlined vehicles based on fish or bird without necessarily considering environmental impacts. In contrast, biomimicry goes beyond imitation by embedding sustainability at its core. It seeks to learn from nature's underlying principles, efficiency, circularity, and regeneration to create solutions that benefit both humans and environment. While bio-inspired design may simply look natural, biomimicry ensures innovations function like nature, adapt to resource efficient and ecologically responsible. Biomimicry is important because it offers a powerful path towards sustainable and innovative solutions. It promotes sustainable innovation by drawing inspiration from natural systems that use minimal energy, generate little waste, and function in closed loops. It enhances efficiency as biological structures and processes have been refined over millions of years to achieve maximum effectiveness with minimal resources. Biomimicry also encourages adaptation and resilience, helping designs evolve and respond to changing environmental conditions just as natural systems do. Lastly, it reduces environmental impacts by encouraging the use of biodegradable materials, renewable energy, and ecosystem-based approaches to minimize pollution and conserve resources. Biomimicry incorporates several remarkable biological mechanisms that inspire efficient and sustainable technologies. The lotus effect demonstrates how microscopic bumps in lotus leaves repel water and dirt, leading to innovations such as waterproof paints, stain-resistant textiles, and self-cleaning glasses. The shark skin effect, based on the ribbed texture of shark skin that reduces drag and prevents bacterial growth, is applied in antimicrobial hospital coatings, aerodynamic swimsuits, and improved aircraft surfaces. The gecko effect shows how nanoscale hairs on gecko feet allows powerful addition without glue, inspiring dry adhesives and climbing robots. Similarly, humpback whale fins with tuber cells enhance maneuverability and reduce drag, influencing the design of more efficient wind turbine blades and propellers. Biomimicry also taps into remarkable natural mechanisms that offer innovative and sustainable design solutions. Passive cooling in termite mounds show how termites maintain stable temperatures through integrated ventilation tunnels. This principle inspires green buildings and low-energy cooling systems such as Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe. Spider silk, known as for being stronger than steel by weight yet incredibly flexible, guides the development of high-performance fibers, medical sutures, and lightweight protective materials. Similarly, structural coloration in butterfly wings creates vibrant colors without pigments through nanoscale layers that reflect light. This mechanism is now used in anti-counterfeit printing, durable color coating, and eco-friendly alternatives to chemical dyeing. Biomimicry has a wide range of applications across multiple sectors, offering solutions that are both innovative and sustainable. In architecture and engineering, nature-inspired passive cooling system modeled after termite mounds, wind turbines shaped like humpback whale fins for better efficiency, and earthquake-resistant structures based on flexible strength of bamboo and trees. In material science, researchers are developing self-healing materials inspired by human skin and plants, along with lightweight yet extremely strong structure modeled on spider silk and bone architecture. In the energy and environmental sector, leaf-inspired solar panels enhance light absorption, wetland mimicry improves wastewater treatment naturally, and biodegradable plastics modeled after natural polymers help reduce pollution and waste. Biomimicry offers valuable applications across medicines, transportation, and agriculture by using nature's strategies to enhance performance and sustainability. In medicine and healthcare, Velcro was famously inspired by burdock burrs, while the mosquito's fine proboscis has guided the design of painless needles. Additionally, surgical robots modeled on the precision and flexibility of insects or animals improved minimal invasive procedures. In transportation, aerodynamic vehicles borrow from the birds and fishes. Bullet trains use kingfisher beak and oval feathers principle for quieter, faster travel, and shark skin inspired surface reduce drag. In agriculture, pest-resistant systems mimic natural ecosystems. Poriculture farms replicate forest biodiversity, and water-efficient irrigation draws on capillary action found in plants. Biomimicry aligns naturally with circular economy principles because both aim to create systems that regenerate rather than deplete resources. In nature, nothing is wasted. Every output becomes an input for another process, mirroring the idea of closed-loop manufacturing. Similarly, natural materials are biodegradable or endless reused, inspiring the development of sustainable, recyclable, and compostable compostable products. Nature also runs entirely on renewable energy, primarily sunlight, which encourages industries to shift towards clean energy systems. By studying how ecosystems cycle nutrients, conserve resources, and maintain balance, biomimicry provides a practical blueprint for building regenerative circular economies that work in harmony with the environment. Despite its promise, biomimicry faces several challenges and limitations that can affect its practical applications. One major issue is the complexity of biological systems, as many natural mechanisms are still not fully understood, making them difficult to replicate accurately in human technologies. There are also cost and technical constraints, since developing biomimicry systems solutions often require significant research, specialized materials, and advanced engineering. Ethical considerations must also be addressed, especially when using biodiversity or traditional knowledge to avoid exploitation or ecological harm. Additionally, biomimicry requires strong interdisciplinary collaboration, bringing together biologists, engineers, designers, and sustainability experts, something that is not always easy to achieve in conventional research or industry settings. The future of biomimicry is full of exciting possibilities as technology and ecological understanding continue to grow. One emerging direction is the development of bio-inspired artificial intelligence and robotics, where machines learn and move more like living organisms. Another promising area is biofabrication and self-growing materials, which could allow buildings or products to grow, heal, and regenerate like natural structures. Smart cities modeled on ecosystems may soon operate like living systems, cycling resources efficiently and reducing waste. Biomimicry also advanced natural-based climate adaptation solutions, helping communities manage heat, floods, and storms. Finally, biomimicry systems, energy systems, and carbon capturing technologies inspired by forests and oceans offer hope for cleaner energy and long-term climate resilience. To wrap up with all the points, biomimicry offers a transformative approach to innovation by studying and emulating nature's time-tested strategies. It inspires design that are not only efficient and adaptable, but also environment regenerative, promoting harmony between human systems and the natural world. By learning from how ecosystems manage energy resources and resilience, biomimicry provides practical solutions to pressing global challenges such as climate change, resource depletion, and pollution. As we face an increasingly complex and fragile planet, adopting biomimicry principles can guide us towards creating technologies, systems, and communities that are sustainable, resilient, and aligned with the rhythm of the nature. Thank you for watching.